swear to God, you soon. You gonna hate me after this. Your family gonna die. You gonna die everything. You gonna die.
Let's go.
Find out his name.
You break that and
Cause if I live, they not gonna know.
This is Taisha, 23 years old. She had just been fired from Amazon, but she refused to leave without getting the names of everyone who snitched on her. What she didn't realize was that by challenging the police, she was about to turn a simple termination into a serious criminal case. Between death threats, racial slurs, and a desperate attempt to flee, this is how one young woman sabotaged her future in less than 10 minutes.
How you doing?
My name's Sean. I'm one of the HR business partners here.
Okay. Okay, nice to meet you.
So we have an associate being pretty aggressive towards us. We tried getting her off property at this point. We've asked her
to here?
Yes. She is, and then she started pushing our team.
Okay.
I would like her off my property. She put her hands on Tyler. Like, I'd just like her off property at this point.
All right. Is she like fired, terminated, all that? All right.
She's going to be. Not officially.
Okay.
Well, she's suspended at this point. I just want her off my property at this point, sir.
Hi, miss. What's going on?
You can take me out, but I need everybody back. You take me, I need everybody back.
Miss.
You take me, you gotta get everybody back. I need everybody.
Young lady.
Y'all bitches about to get sued.
Young lady.
What's your name, miss?
I need a lady number in there.
Okay,
I need everybody number.
Give it to you. You need to calm down.
No, I need somebody to I got everybody.
Miss.
Before y'all take me, I'm about to have my people come for y'all.
We're not.
We need to speak to you.
And I'm about to have my lawyer for y'all too.
Young lady.
I need my phone charged.
Young
You better
lady.
have my lawyer. Don't worry about it.
Young lady.
What's your name?
You better have my lawyer. Don't touch
Relax.
me.
Can we talk in this office here?
Yes, we could.
Okay.
We could.
Could we?
We could. But before we talk, I need my lawyer. I need everybody. I need my family.
We have to see what's going on.
I need their names. I'm not gonna let nobody detain me without my lawyer.
Okay. Well, that's not how this works.
Oh, yeah. Think that?
Yeah, I do think
I
so.
hope y'all got all these civilians watching too.
That's fine, but
At this point, you're terminated. I don't know why you're terminated.
That's good. I take that.
You're terminated. So
It's good. I'm glad because them not gonna treat you like nothing but shit. But I need every deployment that every treat me like here.
And
I
they'll
need
give
her
you that.
name.
I'm sure they'll
I
give you
need a
that.
man up front, and we can go.
You're going to be escorted out of the building.
Drive me. I want you to drive me.
we're not a taxi service, ma'am,
Drive
so.
me out of here. I want y'all to drag me out of here.
Young
I
lady.
need y'all to drive me. I'm not playing. That's what I am.
Young
I
lady.
got a vagina between my legs.
You can file a complaint with Amazon. Get the. You're not getting.
While the First Amendment generally protects verbal insults directed at police, her nonstop verbal abuse combined with her aggressive posture legally supports a disorderly conduct charge.
Name.
You.
Why are you so upset?
Give me your badge number. I need your badge number and your name. I'm not playing with you.
That's fine. I'm not.
Give me your badge number.
I'm trying to help you.
All right,
It's-
sir.
it's
Thank
40.
You. Matter of fact, I need your badge number. That's you the problem.
I'll give you my card. Here you go.
Thank you.
You want my card?
Ooh, run that That's what I like. Talk to me nice and don't talk to me at all. I like that Thank you.
Hold on. Here you
Oh,
go.
make sure you put your money
Oh, I
in your
will.
card. Oh, God. You got a card number too?
I don't have a card on me, but I can give you all my info.
I need everybody when they
So, we're going to give you our name.
I need everybody. I need the badge.
Okay.
You.
Perfect.
Do you have
I
your,
want their name.
do you have your shoes?
I want her name. Get her name for me. Get that fat name for me.
Miss.
I should have trailed.
All the names.
I don't give. I want his name too.
Young lady,
Get
let's
right
go.
there. No, I want his name.
Miss, we gotta
No,
walk
I
out.
want his name.
I got you.
I need his name.
You gotta stop.
What the is his name?
I wanna walk
Find
out.
out his name.
Let's go.
Find out his name.
You break that
Cause
and
if I live, they not gonna know. What the is his name?
Let's go. You're
Come on.
done.
I want to start this
Put your hands behind your back. Don't go away.
Yeah, you going to jail. I'm glad.
you are going to
Let
jail.
me up, big dog.
Yep.
Let me up, big dog.
8 hours.
Thank you, big dog. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm ready.
I hope you're ready.
Hey,
I really
Shay,
hope
Shay.
you're ready. Look at my face.
Shay.
I hope you're ready for it.
Shay,
Cause
listen.
I'm coming at you. I
Shay.
swear to God, I'm ready for it. I hope you're ready for me. Yes,
Come on, I gotta
you know
stay
what
down.
you was doing.
I gotta stay
You
down.
know what you was doing. That's all I want to do anyway.
Come on.
You ain't nothing but a
Miss, can you stop pulling?
y'all racist ass little. You
Trying to
good?
walk
I'm not worried about you, but this right here.
She has a shirt on.
Miss, come on.
All you see that cause you soup. Everything but my get my no, but you gotta get my
It's
I
coming.
don't see it. You take my
Look at me.
why you don't touch it?
Let's go.
Why you don't touch it? Why you don't get it?
Stop playing us.
Get what?
No!
You gotta go in the
No, I want nothing what he got. He only should have nothing. He should have nothing, dog.
If I grab it, will you okay? If I grab it, will you
yes!
okay? All right.
Yes!
Sit right here,
Yes!
relax.
I hate him.
Stop.
He's dead to me. He's dead, dog.
Stop.
Bloody dog.
Stop.
I swear to God, you soon. You gonna hate me after this. Your family gonna die. You gonna die every day.
Will you stop?
You gonna die. Your family die.
Let's go. Come on.
By screaming, "Your family's going to die," Taisha crosses a major legal line. Making death threats against a law enforcement officer or their family can elevate a simple misdemeanor into a third-degree felony.
Come on.
You stupid.
Does anybody want to sign complaints as far as threats made towards them? Did she actually hit anybody?
She hit me 3 times. I believe she hit one of the other girls too.
Okay.
You racist. Just like all of them. Y'all racist motherfuckers. Y'all just racist.
Miss, I was trying to be very polite with you the whole time. You wouldn't let me talk to you.
Every dog got their day.
Hold on, you sheep.
Everybody, stop touching me. You don't touch me. You I want your number.
It's patrolman.
You
All
that stuff. You can touch me. Don't touch me. You lost your right.
Relax.
Don't touch me.
Hold on.
You
Relax.
Taisha's night ended with 3 serious criminal charges. The woman who wanted to teach her coworkers a lesson ended up losing both her job and her clean record. The final charges included trespassing, disorderly conduct, simple assault. Taisha confused the right to dispute a firing with the right to become violent. She got exactly the attention she was demanding, just not in the way she imagined. Don't forget to check out our other breakdown videos and subscribe to the channel.